Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a quick tour of where we're staying. This place is a mansion. Check it out. This is the freaking ginormous front door. And you walk in and you're staying. This is freaking ginormous bedroom. Then this is like 3 huge bedrooms that are there, vaulted ceilings. And you come over here. This is Costa Rica. It's paradise. A huge kitchen here. We have our own little barbecue back here, which we are gonna use later. This is amazing. Come out here. To paradise. This is our patio. We got the pool right down there. Show you some of the rooms. Bathroom. This is like an MTV Cribs house. 1 bedroom that nobody's staying in, with its own freaking ginormous bathroom. Guys, wake up! Alright, it's a quick tour of the house.